Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft uh, error connection reset. If you want to fix it, click here, type background apps. Now just you will find like that, just turn off Minecraft launcher, turn it off, and after that just close this one, and then once you're here type view network connections, and then select your connection here. If you are using the cable, here is it, you will find internet cable, right click and click properties, and after that click protocol internet version 4 and click properties. Now click used following DNS server addresses and type here 888.888.844 and then enable this one and click OK and OK again. And that's it. Then your problem must be fixed. Just start your PC, and I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.